On your line.
Now you've done it.
Stand by.
Oh man, I'm done.
All right, take your long gun to the unloading table.
Get away from me with that.